Process manager. So one of the things that we heard was a request was that, it's great that we have users and groups, but we really want one person that is responsible for a process. And that person needs some special powers. So what we did is we added a new functionality in our product. So here is the processes screen. You see I've got an exclamation mark here. And this processes screen has a new option for a process manager. And the process manager allows you to select one user that is ultimately responsible for this process. What does that mean? Well, what that means is in your process, you can now go in and add some special notifications if you wanted to notify the process manager as they move through. If there's a problem in your process, such as an assignment rule doesn't work right, or there's some kind of an error, your process manager will be notified. The other feature of process managers that are really important is process managers can reassign tasks, and you can also assign the process manager generically to cancel tasks. So the process manager, again, special powers in your process.